I'm going. I'm going to put you in the spot. What do you think?
எனக்கு நீங்க தான் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் பட்
No.
see
See,
I have some biases.
now the last few batsmen for Australia A were running off. Mohammad Shami was bowling so fast and so quick, they were running away. But pink ball test match. So I have something really special for the pink ball test match in the evening.
ஒடியார் இப்பவே சொல்லுங்க, எனக்கு தலை வச்சிரும். It's time again for us to ask Ellis to tell us about what's going on down under with our team India trying to go for the win in the India versus Australia Border Gavaskar Trophy Test Match Series. Ellis, வணக்கம். என்ன கொரோனாவா, என்ன விஷயம் இப்படி ஃபுல்லா கவர்டா இருக்கிறீங்க?
No, I'm in Baroda, you're in Hyderabad, but still we are working hard to do these shows and to make it.
நீங்க பரோடால இருக்கீங்க. I think you're coaching the Baroda Ranji.
Yeah, I'm coaching some of the boys and they're playing a match in the background. And I'm coaching some of the boys here. But despite that, you in your shooting, me in my coaching work, we are taking time to make sure that our viewers know about India-Australia, the test series. Border Gavaskar, you mentioned, two legendary names, and we want our viewers to know what's going on in Australia.
நீங்க பரோடால இருக்கீங்க, நான் ஹைதராபாத்ல இருக்கேன். மைண்ட் முழுக்க அடிலைட்ல இருக்கு. So let me give a quick intro about the Adelaide Oval. In the test series வந்து இந்த first match வந்து ஒரு pink ball match, that is it's a day and night match. So ball is different, it's different from the regular ball that we use, and India goes in with 100% victory rate. இது வியூவர்ஸ்க்கு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன், நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சதை கொஞ்சம் காமிச்சிக்கணும்ல. India goes in with 100% victory rate because we played one match against Bangladesh and we won. So we are pink ball victors. நமக்கு தோல்வியே இல்ல. ஆனா இந்த ஆஸ்திரேலியாவுக்கு 7 மேட்ச் விளையாடி இருக்காங்க. 7 மேட்சும் அவங்க தான் ஜெயிச்சிருக்காங்க. அதுல 4 மேட்ச் இதே அடிலைட் ஓவல்ல தான் ஜெயிச்சிருக்காங்க. So LS ஏற்கனவே ஆஸ்திரேலியா they will win by hook or crook. அவங்க வந்து தப்பு ரைட்னு பார்க்க மாட்டாங்க, ஜெயிக்கணும் அப்படிதான் பார்ப்பாங்க. So இப்போ எப்படி நம்ம நிலைமை?
See, India were the first team to beat Australia in Perth. First Asian team to beat Australia in Perth. So we will be the first Asian team to beat Australia in a pink ball test match.
Yes.
இருக்கு. See, pink ball test match.
நாம சீட் பண்ண மாட்டோமே.
நம்ம சீட் பண்ண மாட்டோம். Pink ball test match win பண்ணறதுக்கு you need good fast bowlers. And you know, I know, everybody knows we have really good fast bowling combination.
You know, this is something very different about Virat Kohli's team. I mean, first of all, we are going in with கொஞ்சம் கெத்தா தான் உள்ள போறோம். Virat Kohli is the first captain who beat Virat Kohli just in 2018 beat Australia in their home ground, in fact in Adelaide. That India used to be known for its combined attack, spin attack, but இப்போ we have a world class pace team.
See, appo வந்து Anil Kumble mari, Harbhajan Singh, we all depended on spinners. But now we probably have the best fast bowling attack combination. 3 of them, 4 of them. You know, 4 of them high quality fast bowlers. And pink ball test match cricket is going to be about fast bowling. Whichever side bowls better and takes the catches better are in a chance with winning the test match. But adikalla we have to put runs on the board, so we'll have to start from the batting order.
Okay, correct. So let's start from the beginning. ஆஸ்திரேலியாவோட பேட்டிங் ஆர்டரை பத்தி, ஆஸ்திரேலியாவுடைய இத பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சுருக்கமா சொல்லிருங்க. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு they don't have half their players, and bowlingல நேத்தன் லியான் அவர்தான் வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் பெஸ்ட் ஸ்பின்னர், பிங்க் பால் ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட். அதெல்லாம் அத பத்தி எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு ஓவர்வியூ கொடுத்துருங்க, and then we talk about India.
Okay, the news overnight is Steve Smith is not fully fit. He was batting in the nets.
Back pain.
Halfway through the net, he walked out of the net session saying he's got a sore back. So David Warner, Steve Smith, huge problem for Australia. Their only batsman of high quality is Labuschagne. Labuschagne. So Labuschagne, they have to depend on Labuschagne. But the rest of them are inexperienced. So our fast bowling lineup against their inexperience, I think we should win that battle. If we get early wickets and put pressure on Australia, we can get them out for a low score. They have a good bowling attack. Pat Cummins is there. Josh Hazelwood is there. Like you mentioned, Nathan Lyon is there. Nathan Lyon will come into play in the second innings. First innings, how effectiveness irukadu because Adelaide will be a good padding pitch to begin with. So that's their bowling lineup. Australia's bowling is stronger than their batting.
Huh. We rarely hear that, but okay. Warner Smith team Kano. I usually think of Warner and Smith for scandals together, same names, but இந்த வாட்டி அவங்க ரெண்டு பேருமே இல்ல. Pitch ன்னு சொன்னீங்க. How's the pitch in Adelaide சொன்னீங்க? It's a batting pitch ன்னு சொல்றீங்க. It's an oval, so it's not the same on all sides.
Yeah, Adelaide Oval because side boundaries are very short, 65 meters maximum. So people who play the cover drive, the cut shot, the pull shot and shots through mid-wicket. We know Virat Kohli's favorite shot is the cover drive and the flick through mid-wicket. That's why he's got 200s there. Back-to-back hundreds. I mean, 100 in each innings, Virat Kohli in Adelaide. He likes batting there and he's won a test match there. So he will go into this test match a lot high in confidence personally. And this is the only test match he's going to play in the series. So our King Kohli is going to give 100%.
Batting pitch, cover drive க்கு விராட் கோலிக்கு லட்டு மாதிரி இருக்கும். So let's start with India's batting lineup. Starting with the openers. Not that Australia has some players missing. நம்மளுக்கு ரோஹித் சர்மா இல்ல, ஷிகர் தவன் இல்ல.
He's on his way to Australia. He reached Australia. Rohit Sharma, your favorite player, will be in quarantine.
போச்சு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட் போச்சு. விராட் கோலி விளையாடுற வரைக்கும் ரோஹித் சர்மாவை பார்க்க முடியாது. இவர் இருந்தா அவர் இல்ல, அதான் விஷயம். இப்போ ஷிகர் தவனும் இல்ல. ஷிகர் தவன் is not playing the match. So who are going to be our openers? Who's your pick for the openers?
Mayank Agarwal definitely is one pick. He is a certainty in the team because he's not only a good player, he's played in Australian pitches before and he's had success. So Mayank Agarwal is a certainty. And then I hear that Shubman Gill has been working very, very hard in the nets. So when you get somebody to work very hard in the nets, you assume and presume that this youngster might get an opportunity to play in the 11. So I think the Indian team think tank are thinking of Shubman Gill and Mayank Agarwal.
And you agree with that? You like the choices? Shubman Gill is obviously a new name. So do you think that's a good idea? Are you behind that?
I'm going to put you in a spot. What do you think?
எனக்கு நீங்க தான் எக்ஸ்பர்ட். But
No.
see, I have some biases.
No, when it comes to cricket, in India, everybody is an expert. Even the viewers watching this program, they are experts.
Well, actually, it's true. A lot of people do follow cricket extremely ardently. என்ன மாதிரி followers இருப்பாங்க. Experts கிடையாது. நீங்க தான் expert. நாங்களாம் வந்து followers, enthus நாங்க. So எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் I generally think if it's not broken, don't fix it. So KL Rahul has done extremely well in the T20s. Pinne எடுத்திருக்காரு. So I thought he should have opened even in the ODIs. He opened in the T20s and he did well. Okay, agreed, white ball. But even his test record in Australia is very good. Debut series, 6 வருஷம் முன்னாடி he hit a century in the debut series. And last year, 2018 also, he did well. He hit close to 50. And that was a series in which everybody was batting well. So he did very well for himself. He is in form now, so why change that? Plus, Shikhar Dhawan is not there. Rohit Sharma is not there. We need some experience. In the pink ball, அது வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு 30 ஓவர் நல்லா இருக்கும், அதுக்கப்புறம் சப்பையா போயிடும். இட்ஸ் a different kind of ball and I want you to talk about that. But um, with the pink ball, nobody else in the team is so exposed to the pink ball as maybe the veteran war horses are. So openingல ஒரு பக்கம் மயாங்கோ சுப்மனோ இருந்தாலும் இன்னொரு பக்கம் ராகுல் இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு எனக்கு தோணுது.
I agree with you. See, that's why I asked you a pertinent question. I agree with you. See, the youngster, you don't want him to be thrown at the deep end of the sea. Pink ball test match, the ball will do a lot in the early part. Shubman Gill can play in the middle order when the chance arises. But like you said, confidence is another good word that you used. In life, whether in cricket or in life, confidence is so important. If you have the confidence that you will achieve something, you will work towards it, and you have a positive frame of mind to achieve it. And not only that, just to add to your important points, Mayank and KL Rahul both play for Karnataka and they were the best of friends. So running between the wickets, stealing those singles will become so crucial. So I will have to agree with you.
Oh my God, எனக்கு செம்ம த்ரில்லா இருக்கு. It's not every day that um, an India player says I agree with you. கிரிக்கெட்ல நான்லாம் வந்து ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது, பட் ஏதோ நீங்க எனக்கும் என்கரேஜ் பண்றீங்க. தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ. So yeah, we are thinking Shubman Gill can even come in the middle order, but அதுல ஒரு பிரச்சனை இருக்கு. நம்மளோட டீம் பிளேயிங் 16 பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாரும் நல்லா பேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. பும்ரா கூட அந்த டீமே ஆஸ்திரேலியா ஏ மேட்ச்ல 50 அடிச்சிருக்காரு.
Problem plenty is a good problem to have. We talked about the openers and both of us are convinced that Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul. And you can't move the pillar, Pujara at number 3. Rahul Dravid, whatever he did, Pujara is doing for India now.
Yes.
So Pujara at 3, Virat Kohli at number 4, Ajinkya Rahane at number 5. Adu or Mari, it's a sealed decision. Number 6 was the Hanuma Vihari. He's a very, very good cricketer in terms of limited talent, but he makes up for his limited talent like Steve Waugh. Steve Waugh, Mari, grit, determination, and the courageous intentions that he possesses is brilliant. Because in Australia, they'll bowl a lot of bouncers. You've got to be courageous enough to take it on the ribs, take it on your elbow, and play that brave innings that is required. Hanuma Vihari got 100 in the warm-up match, and he's been a number 6 batsman when Rohit Sharma is not there. So Hanuma Vihari will bat after Ajinkya Rahane, and then it gets to the wicketkeeper. Again, a tricky situation for India. Rishabh Pant got 100 in the warm-up match. But Wriddhiman Saha is also there in the squad. So are they going to pick somebody like Rishabh Pant or a specialist wicketkeeper like Wriddhiman Saha? In a test match, you're going to keep for probably 3 days, run innings long up on 4 days. So I think you have to play the specialist wicketkeeper, Wriddhiman Saha. So adu muttum seal aayithu, adukapram again problem of plenty starts. Bowling combination.
Pujara, Rahane, and then this name Vihari. See, IPL, ODIs, நிறைய நமக்கு வந்து white ball cricketல we keep hearing about some names over and over and again. But test cricketers, we only hear about them when the test season rolls in. Pujara, நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி, between Pujara and Kohli, do you think they can do what Dravid and Sachin used to do in their heydays? Set up number 3 and number 4?
They are made in a similar way. And Pujara on his last tour of Australia kept on batting. The Australians got sick and tired of Pujara. See, other than the basic job of the openers is to set up a good platform. And you mentioned after 30 overs, the seam of the ball gets embedded in the ball. So the effectiveness goes. The seam is not pronounced.
என்ன இது புது பால் இது அந்த பால் பத்தி சொல்லுங்க.
See, the Indian batting order, if our openers click and bat the first session without losing wickets, what happens with these Kookaburra balls? See, in Australia, whether it's the red ball or the pink ball, it's the Kookaburra ball that's used. India, they use a ball called SG. SG balls in India are handmade. So the seam of the ball is far more pronounced. So you can grip the ball better. Nalla grip kadaikum, spinners ku nalla irukum, and even for the fast bowlers, for the reverse swing, everything it's fine. But the Kookaburra ball, whether it's the pink ball or the red ball, the seam is machine made. So it's not that pronounced as the SG ball. What happens after a few overs with the ball hitting the pitch? And pitches in Australia are much harder than what it is in India. The seam of the ball gets embedded into the ball and becomes very difficult to grip. So, because of that reason, the seam going inside and the bowlers finding it difficult to grip, you won't get too much of swing under this humidity and something in the air. And spinners will find it really hard to turn the ball. That's why if we set up a good platform, the top three, say Mayank Agarwal, KL Rahul, and Pujara, then Virat Kohli and company can fire, all guns blazing.
இந்த பால் விஷயம் புதுசா இருக்குங்க. So பேட்ஸ்மேனுக்கும் இது டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருக்குமா?
இல்ல, that's where should be standardized the balls that they play all over the world. அது ஒரு question mark இருக்கு. ஏன்னா you go to different country, different conditions, different balls. It's a batsman's game, right? But you also make things uniform for the bowlers, yeah. In England, you play with the Dukes. In India, you play with SG. In Australia, you play with Kookaburra. But white ball cricket all over the world is played with Kookaburra. The pink ball that is started right now is played with Kookaburra. So standardization of the ball, will the ICC think into it and make sure the bowlers get a ball of their choice?
Point. Note this point, my lord. சரி, இப்ப நம்ம வந்து 8 வரைக்கும் வந்துட்டோம். அஜிங்கியா ரஹானே வரைக்கும் வந்துட்டோம். அஜிங்கியா ரஹானேக்கு அப்புறம் யாரு? நமக்கு வந்து அதுக்கப்புறம் நேரா நாலு பேசர்ஸா இல்ல 3 பேசர்ஸ் ஒரு ஸ்பின்னரா? Who's going to come 6 down, 7 down?
See, our batsmen we've come to till Bihari vandache. Then Wriddhiman Saha should play. Because test match he's a fantastic wicket keeper, very athletic, and he can contribute with the bat. You don't need a flamboyant batsman like Rishabh Pant, who's not as good as Wriddhiman Saha in his wicket keeping. In a test match cricket, you drop an important player and he goes on to get a big 100, then the game changes. You want the best wicket keeper, the specialist to play Wriddhiman Saha. So that makes it 7. 6 batsmen with Bihari, 7 is Wriddhiman Saha. Then the 4 bowlers. Adida, Adelaide pink ball test match. There will be a little bit of grass on the pitch because the pink ball, konja quicker wear and tear, it becomes a little older. Red ball, Mari, it doesn't last that long. So definitely they leave some grass on the pitch. So the wear and tear on the ball is less. So Adinala, you want to play 4 seamers. And the practice match or the warm-up match, the last few batsmen for Australia A were running off. Mohammad Shami was bowling so fast and so quick, they were running away. So the thing is, India will definitely play Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, and then they will play Umesh Yadav. Umesh Yadav is a test match bowler. Now the choice is between Jadeja. Do you want one spinner in the side for variations? And another important point that we have to bring to the notice of our viewers is in the World Test Championship. So this is a part of the World Test Championship. Points are awarded for a win, for a drawn game, and all that. But points are also deducted for slow over rate. Number 4 fast bowlers ஆடினா over rate effect ஆக chance இருக்கு. So do you want to play Jadeja, who can keep one end tight, and also he can bowl it over in 2 minutes. And Jadeja's batting is improved leaps and bounds, and he's a brilliant fielder. So the only point of contention is whether Navdeep Saini plays or Jadeja plays. Jadeja adna, your batting order becomes even stronger. Anuma Vihari bowls a little bit of off spin. So I'm sure Ravi Shastri and B. Arun would have worked on him. If he is going to be the spinning option, 4 fast bowlers, and the spinning option will be Anuma Vihari. And he is a bowler who can keep it tight and make sure the over rate is good. You don't get deducted in points. And he will add a little bit of value in the bowling department. He'll bowl is about 5-6 overs spell and make sure the fast bowlers get a bit of rest.
Viewers, இது வந்து ஒரு overview conversation. பட் இதை தவிர தனித்தனியா ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் காமெண்ட்ஸ் அபவுட் லிட்டரலி த bowling lineup, the bowling options, strategy, அதுக்கப்புறம் மிடில் ஆர்டர் பேட்ஸ்மென், pitch conditions எல்லாத்த பத்தியும் தனி செக்மெண்ட்ஸும் உங்களுக்கு வருது. Watch out for those little micro segments on the same program. LS tells us.
I have something really special for the pink ball test match in the evening.
What do you have? இப்பவே சொல்லுங்க, எனக்கு தலை வச்சிரும்.
Pink ball test match I'm going to wear a nice pink shirt.
நான் ஒண்ணே சொல்றேன், I'm warning you. நான் வந்து ரொம்ப பகுத்தறிவு அதெல்லாம் அதிகம். So if we do something well on the first day, you are stuck in that pink shirt for 5 days. I'm warning you. LS, நாளைக்கு நாம can we write history?
Yeah. History records are meant to be broken. India is going to win. India is going to be the first team that beats Australia in pink ball test match cricket.
Yes.
And King Kohli will come back successful.
ஆமா, கோலிக்கு இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் லாஸ்ட் மேட்ச் இப்போ ஆஸ்திரேலியாவுல. சோ அவருக்கு வந்து இட்ஸ் a very big என்ன சொல்றது
அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்,
கௌரவ பிரச்சனை பிளஸ் அவருடைய அன்பார்ன் சைல்டோட லக்கும் சேர்ந்து அவருக்கு வந்து ஒர்க் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு எல்லாரும் நினைக்கிறோம். We will talk about this in the micro segment a lot more about how Kohli plays in the 2018 series, which we actually won against Australia. So we will talk about all that. So watch out for the micro segments hitting you at regular intervals during this 5-day match. Thanks, LS.
Thank you. Good luck.